Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today we are doing a one brand luxury beauty haul, and not only a haul, we are also doing a demo because I want to show y'all how I got this look using these products. So the brand that we're featuring today is Armani Beauty. Y'all, when I say the Luminous Silk foundation is probably one of the most talked about foundations, and I still to this day, well, not to this day because I've been trying this out for the past week, but it has taken me this long to try out this foundation. So I am super excited to show you guys how it looks on my skin, how it looks blended out on the skin. So most of everything that I have on my face is Armani Beauty, and Armani Beauty is sponsoring this video. So everything that I'm gonna be hauling, swatching, and all of that good stuff was gifted from Armani Beauty, and you are able to purchase these products at Sephora. So if y'all are interested in seeing all of the goodies that I got from Armani Beauty and also seeing how I created this look using some of these products, then let's get into it. All right, let's go in order. So however I do my makeup and all of that good stuff, we are gonna go in those steps. So first thing I have to show is the Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. Y'all know I love me anything that's hydrating, whether that's a moisturizer, primer. If it's hydrating, I love it. So this right here, I've noticed ever since I've been using it, I don't necessarily have to put on a moisturizer because it's so hydrating. And you guys will see in the clip how dewy it makes my skin look. Now, I do still like to protect my skin with SPF. So of course I put on an SPF first. And I really like the packaging of this. It's really clean and chic. All of their products are like so luxe looking, very clean, chic, not too much going on. And the tube, you can actually squeeze the tube. So if you're running low on this stuff, you're able to get most of it out just by squeezing it really good. But yes, that is the Luminous Silk Primer. Next, we have the Luminous Silk Foundation. Now, I have 3 different shades. I want to swatch all 3 of these with you guys. So if you are my foundation twin, and if you've never tried out the Luminous Silk foundation, hopefully this kind of helps. And even if you are not my foundation twin, if you're a little bit closer to my complexion, hope this helps as well. So the shades that I have 10, 11, and 11.5. Now, I thought I was in the shade 10 because I've seen quite a few reviews on this foundation, and I've also seen swatches online, so I was guessing that my shade would be 10, but now that I have swatched 10, 11, and 11.5, my shade is 11. So let me show you guys how they look. So here is the glass bottle. Let me swatch it on my finger. I'm gonna put all the swatches on my chest because that's how you should match your foundation. So 10. Now when I received all of this, I used 10 first before I even started using 11, and I didn't like how red it was on my face. So let me show you what 11 looks like. I mean, obviously it's on my face now, but and then I'll show you guys a clip of me applying 11 all over the face. So do a little squirt. Hopefully I don't get this on my sweater. All right, so here is 11 right there. So once I started wearing 11, I felt like it was a better match than 10. I think if I got more sun, because y'all know I haven't gone anywhere, girl. I have been in the house for a good minute now, and I haven't really gotten any sun. But I feel like if I get more sun, my summer shade would be number 10. And let me show you 11.5. So I hope this kind of helps you guys on your foundation choice. So this is 11.5. So this is obviously warmer. It pulls more red. But yeah, those are all 3 of the shades. So 10, 11, which is what I'm wearing right now, and then 11.5. And then right here is where I'm applying 11 all over the face. So see how it just blends seamlessly into my skin, and the coverage is medium, and it's gonna leave your skin looking radiant. So definitely a good everyday type of foundation. So the few times that I've worn it, I do like how it wears on the skin. I like how it looks throughout the day on my skin, and it just doesn't look like I have on a ton of foundation. So another thing that I've noticed noticed when wearing this foundation is if you do want that full coverage, you can actually build it up. So even if you do go in with another layer, it's not gonna look too cakey on the skin. So yeah, I've been wearing the shade 11 and I just feel like it works better than shade 10. If I wear 10, I would definitely have to go in with a really light concealer just to kind of even everything out. And I wouldn't go in with a bronzer because 10 is just so, it looks so red on my skin. So I feel like I wouldn't even need to put on a bronzer. But yes, Luminous Silk foundation. Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation out. What are your thoughts? Let me know. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. Concealer. I also have a couple of shades in their concealer that I want to swatch with you guys. So it's called their Luminous Silk Multi-Purpose Glow Concealer. The shade that I have on today is number 8, I believe. Let me open it and see. No, this is number 8. So it's a little light. And then the shade that I actually am wearing is number 8.75. So let me swatch these on my hand so y'all can see the difference. So here's 8.75. And this is my perfect under eye highlight shade. And then here is number 8 right here. I like how this blended out on my skin. You guys see right here in the demo, it blended so good. And I also like how it pairs with the foundation. It's not a full coverage concealer and it's just the perfect type of coverage to go with the Luminous Silk foundation. So you definitely get that flawless radiant finish with the concealer. But yeah, those are those two. So let me know if you guys have tried the concealer as well. Okay, these next two products, I was shook from these, like shook. These are their this is the Tint Smoke Liquid Matte Eye Color, and this one is the Tint Silk Liquid Satin Eye Color. So the shade that I used on my lid, well, I actually have both of these on, but let me show you. This is the shade 39, and this is a matte, kind of like a brown chocolate color. And you see right here, I'm applying it all over the lid with the doe foot applicator. But if you want, you can apply this with your finger. You can apply it with a brush. So I just applied it with the doe foot applicator, and then I went in with my blending brush just to blend everything out. But y'all, even though you guys just saw it on the demo, let me show you a swatch of this color. Y'all know this is right up my alley. The perfect brown is so pretty. And I like how once I started blending it out, I don't know if you guys saw it in the clip, but once you blend this out, like after it dries down a little bit, you can see a little hint of shimmer in it. It's not like, you know, too noticeable. Let me see if I can do it with my finger. So as you blend it, keep going back and forth, there is a slight glow. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Now I was gonna stop and just use this color and that be it, but I was like, this is looking very familiar. Y'all know I love me a brown, like a one brown smoky eye, and I wanted to switch it up. So I went in with the shade 53. And this color is so pretty. So I also did the same thing with this. I applied it with the doe foot applicator, and then I took my brush and started blending it out. Now, even though I put this on top of 39, was that? Yeah, 39. You can still kind of see a little bit of the brown kind of peeking through, which is what I wanted. So let me show you a swatch of this. Y'all, pigmented, so pigmented. And I like how it's easy to work with. So either use your finger, a brush, and once you blend it out, the color is everything. I mean, it looks good once you swatch it, but once you start blending it out, you can really see that color shine through. Next thing that I have is their Eyes to Kill Length and Volume Mascara. I use this on my top and bottom lashes. Even though I am wearing my false lashes, y'all know I still like to coat my real lashes with mascara after I put on my falsies. So right here, I'm just coating the mascara on my real lashes right up under the falsies. And then I went in on my bottom lashes to coat the mascara. So let me show you what it looks like up close. So the packaging is nice and sleek, like all of their other products. And I'm gonna show you the brush right there. If it'll focus, there we go. So yeah, it was easy to apply. I didn't have any issues with applying this on my bottom lashes because y'all know I have really tiny baby lashes. So I didn't really have any issues with applying that. Next thing I have is a blush. Y'all, this color. So it's their professional liquid face blush, the A blush in the shade 32. This color, you guys, first off, here is how she looks. Give you guys a little close up. I was not expecting this color to look like it does in person because, let me swatch her. Look at how beautiful that is. Like, how do I even describe it? It's like a brick, terracotta, brown, red, berry, all of that. I gave you guys more swatches so y'all can see it better up close. Look how freaking pretty. Now the way that I use this, I put on, well, I used a sponge instead of just putting it on directly on my face, because usually when I put on a liquid blush directly on my face, I tend to mess things up. So I just went in with a sponge. I just tapped the sponge on my hand, and then I tapped it on my cheeks, and it gave me such a beautiful flush of color. But yes, girl, the shade 32, you need it. Okay, so I have some lip products from Armani Beauty. This one is their Ecstasy Mirror Elevated Shine in Color Lip Lacquer, and I have the Lip Maestro Intense Velvet Lip Color. So since I went in with the purple and the brown on the eyes, I thought these would not really go well with the look, but I want to show you how they look and how they swatch. So we're gonna first talk about the Elevated Shine in Color Lip Lacquer. This is kind of like a glossy lip, but I wore it the other day and I noticed when I had it on my lips, let me swatch it right here. See how pretty that is once you swatch it? I'm gonna keep swatching it so y'all can see what I'm trying to say, but I noticed when I was applying it on my lips and then I kind of blocked my lips, it gave me a really pretty like rosy stain. So if you like that stained look, I think you'll really, really like this. So yeah, this is in the shade 100. Yeah, 100. And then the other one that I have is their Intense Velvet Color in the shade Granite 101. And this is it's just a velvet lippy. And I thought this color, I don't know, I didn't really like this color with the eye look, but this is a really pretty rose mauve color. And it's really creamy too. So there it is right there. All right, girls, so that is all that I picked from Armani Beauty to share with you guys. Let me know if you guys have tried any of their products. If you have, what product was it? If you haven't, what product are you wanting to try out? So let's go ahead and talk about it down below in the comments. Thank you so much to Armani Beauty for sponsoring this video once again. I'll have everything that I shared in the description down below if you guys are interested in checking these products out. So that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.